Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 12T Pro and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately, nowadays you do not really need to do a lot to find the viruses in your device. It will actually do it for you. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the security, and as you can see right here we've got the security scan. So let's simply tap on it. Here we've got the warning. So you can update, of course, if you've got, let's say, an old version of the security scan. I don't want to do it right now, but I highly recommend to tap on update. So let me cancel, and as you can see right now the device will scan itself, so the payment environment, for example, the apps which you've got currently installed, and it will simply search for any problems, any viruses, anything that it's not normal. As you can see in my case, everything looks good, which simply means that I don't have any problems. But if in your case your device will find something, then no worries, of course. It will simply list it right here, and you will be able to check it and get rid of any problems or the viruses. So basically that's all. This is how to virus scan your XIAOMI 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.